Welcome to the future of education, a realm where innovation and technology converge to revolutionize the traditional classroom into an immersive and dynamic learning environment. Today, we explore the strategic integration of augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, in real-world classrooms, unlocking new dimensions of interactive and experiential learning. In traditional classrooms, education grapples with the limitations of physical resources, relying on books, whiteboards, and lectures. What if we could transcend these constraints and offer students an experience beyond traditional methods? Enter augmented reality, AR, acting as a bridge between the physical and digital realms. AR overlays information onto the real-world environment, transforming textbooks into interactive 3D models. Historical events come alive, fostering engagement and dynamism. AR goes beyond one-size-fits-all education, adapting to each student's pace, providing additional explanations, and offering instant feedback. In science classes, virtual reality, VR, propels students beyond physical confines, exploring the solar system and conducting risk-free virtual experiments. VR becomes a powerful tool for inclusive education, breaking accessibility barriers and fostering collaboration in a shared virtual space. In this augmented and virtual landscape, teachers transform into guides, curating experiences and ensuring each student maximizes AR and VR potential. Implementation challenges require specialized teacher training, addressing concerns about accessibility and equipment to pave the way for an inclusive and effective learning environment. The strategic integration of AR and VR transforms the classroom into a dynamic space, harmonizing reality and virtuality, creating an enriched learning environment. This fusion prepares students for future challenges, elevating the educational experience to unprecedented heights.